Slay. Hey, get out your motherfucking seat to this one, you know. Slay. Slay. 100 rounds in a towel, nigga, lighting up your tacos. Yeah, give him surgery, no lipo. Down, blame that bitch for putting you down. Pull up to a nigga town, I'm prepared to take her down. Nigga, hey, do that slime shit. Hey, YSL shit. Hey, killing 12 shit. Hey, fuck up jail shit. Hey, drinking at the bitch. Hey, on that snail shit. Hey, cooking white brick. Hey, hey, bricks and bell shit. Hey, hey, bitch, I'm super rich. Bitch, I'm stupid rich. I go ape shit. Call that ludicrous. Hey, hey, I'm not new to this. Hey, I'm so true to this. Hey, I done put a whole slime on a list.
Hey, slime will get slime. Man, yeah, don't have a mind. Yeah. These niggas be bitches. A lot of them snitching. A lot of them drop.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.